How to leave clan on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to leave clan on PUBG. Leaving clan on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to the clan menu. Tap on the clan icon, which is usually located on the main screen or in the lobby. Select your clan. Tap on your clan's name to enter the clan management interface. Access clan setting. Look for option like manage or clan info. Leave the clan. Scroll down and find the option to leave clan. This may be labeled differently like exit clan. Confirm your decision. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to leave the clan. Confirm your choice to exit. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can leave a clan on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.